Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to install Lenovo laptop audio driver on Windows 11. Open any browser. Type Lenovo laptop driver on browser search bar. Click Lenovo support. Click View PC support. Click Browse product. Select laptop model. Select drivers and software. Click Manual Update. Click Audio. Click Download. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.